Guys, I've got this media mode with an external mic, and I've bought few mounts so that I can mount my camera on a permanent basis rather than using the J mount with the strap that I've ordered earlier. So I've done all the setup. I've put my external mic into the helmet, duct taped all the additional cable, which is around 15 feet, into the helmet, and installed the microphone just below the visor in front of my helmet. So I'm now going to test the audio. Right now I put my visor up so that I can test the audio both with the visor up and see how the wind distortion is, what is the noise reduction that this mic offers. I got the mic for around 1400 and media mode for around 6700, and the mounts I bought, since I was not getting any single mounts, I had to order a set which costed me around 500, but it is required in order to do the motovlogging while on the go. These accessories are a must for a GoPro 8, or in fact any GoPro for that matter. So I'll test the audio both with the visor up and visor down to see how the audio quality is. Just a short ride, not more than 1 kilometer, one and a half. So you can see I'm going at 60 and I see a lot of wind going through my face. Currently the visor is still off. I am going to take a U-turn now and put down the visor. So the visor is off, guys. Now I am speaking at the same wavelength that I was initially with the visor off, just that it was too cold earlier, so maybe there might be a little shiver in my voice. But now with the visor off, I'm feeling a bit comfortable. But it's still cold, guys. So I'm just riding with the visor down to check the audio quality. Hopefully there should be no difference between the both, because as per the vendor it had the noise reduction. It might not be the 100%, because I don't think so any microphones as of now in the market give that feature of 100% noise reduction. So I'm just testing both of them. I also wanted to test the location of the mic. Is it too close or too far, or is it at the correct angle? I just place it just below the visor in front of the helmet and side, just little bit left, so that if I talk or if I breathe, the noise should not be hitting the mic. I'm speaking at a very nominal or low voice, okay, because this is how you talk normally, be it in the phone, on the phone, or if you're talking like conversing with your friends. So I wanted to test with this kind of wavelength. So I'm almost done reaching home. So let me go ahead and get into my house, park my bike, and then test the output. Hopefully it was a good investment. It all depends on how this video comes up, guys. Let me see.